Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well today. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best banana bread all in one. I have found the perfect recipe that works every time. So as usual, keep on watching this video, share my videos, give me likes, support me, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday to everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the best ever banana bread. This is an all-in-one recipe. In fact, it's the recipe I've heard from you from a long time. This is the one I use and it is the best ever. It is a no-fail banana bread. So if you are interested in knowing how to prepare this, please let's watch the video together. For this recipe, you need 250 grams of plain flour. You need 115 grams of butter. You also need 2 eggs. You need 100 grams of white sugar, 50 grams of brown sugar, and last but not least, you need about 4 to 5 bananas. You will also need 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. You also need half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now the easiest part. Add 250 grams of plain flour in a mixing bowl or all-purpose flour depending on how you call it. Add 100 grams of white sugar. It can be granulated sugar or caster sugar. Add the other 50 grams of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use white sugar. It's not a problem. Add the 150 grams of butter. Okay. And even if you want to use even darker sugar, you can also use that. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. It can also be replaced by nutmeg if you prefer. Then add your salt, which is half a teaspoon. Next, add your vanilla extract, which is half a tablespoon. If you can get a good quality one, it is even better. But I know vanilla extract can be very expensive. Add your baking powder, which is 1 teaspoon. Add the baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda. It's not the same, please. And then add your 2 eggs to it. Now the banana. I'm using 5 bananas, and as you can see, they are not very dark. It's because I didn't want them to be dark this time, but the more darker the banana is, the sweeter your bread will be. So it's up to you. Next, use your hand mixer and mix it until it is completely mixed like this, like a nice batter. All right, and that's it. It is very, very easy. So when you finish, you need to line a baking tin with some butter because it will prevent the cake to stick to the tin. Okay, so it's just a little bit of butter or margarine. And then you need to dust some flour on it. Okay, make sure the flour covers all the sides of the baking tin. Okay, and then remove the extra flour from it. You don't need it. For this type of cake, it is better to use this type of baking tin. When it is ready, you can add in the banana bread batter. And this is it. Oh, even better, if you have silicone tin, you can also use it. Now my batter is ready. I have preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and now I'm going to bake my banana bread in the middle rack for about 30 to 45 minutes. It depends on your oven strength as well, and I was using a fan oven. And this is it. Do you see it? A very nice banana bread. This is what you need. Now take it out of the oven. And a tip, if you want to know if the banana bread is perfectly baked, just stick in a skewer or a knife, and if it comes out clean, it means the bread is ready. By the way, if you don't want your bread to be too plain, you can add in some chocolate chips. This time I use white chocolate, and my husband and kids love it. It is awesome. Okay, now the banana bread is ready, and this is optional, but if you want to add some powdered sugar on top of it, you can also do it, and it will be a little bit more sweeter. Now the cutting, I'm going to cut two slices for you so that you can see how perfectly this banana bread is. It is soft, it is moist, it is spongy, it is everything you are looking for in a banana bread, my dear friends. So here I'm going to show you a close-up of it. Just look at it. It is perfect. It is the perfect banana bread ever. Look how spongy it is. So my dear friends, if you miss out on this recipe, you're making a very big mistake, because I have found the best ever all-in-one banana bread. So please try this recipe and tell me what you think about it. Okay? So enjoy your banana bread with a cup of tea, and I'll see you next time, my dear friends. Bye, and be safe.